We're now sat, we're now sat waiting for our table to be ready at Garden Grill. So we hoofed it over from Space 220 over to here. We got here about 10 minutes late, which is fine. You do mobile check-in and then they text you when your table's ready. So we got over here, got all hot and sweaty, and now we're sat waiting. Oh, okay. Xander wasn't hot and sweaty, but I am, and I think Daddy is as well. But hopefully we'll be able to sit down soon, and then we can actually relax. But then we've got to get through dinner, and then we've got to hoof it all the way down to France to get on our Remy ride for our boarding pass for Remy. So we started off having a really chilled out, relaxing day, and now it's kind of degenerating into a let's all rush here and let's all rush there. So hopefully once we've done Remy, we can start taking it easy again and we can finish off doing our hide and squeak challenge. We just got to our table at Garden Grill and this is what greets us. And oh look, we've got Pluto. So Garden Grill is a slowly rotating restaurant, and this down here is living with the land. I think the ride's down at the moment. Yeah.
Okay, they just vanish. They're just vanishing.
He's looking to make sure none of the servers are coming. You're going to get told off.
Why? Why am I going to get told off?
I don't know. Our first course has arrived. It's a harvest salad, and all of this is actually grown here at Living with the Land. So we've got some lettuce.
And I've seen where
there's
this
some.
grows.
Yeah, you have, and there's some olives, and I think that's onion and some tomato, and it's got like a vinaigrette on it that Xander swears is ranch, and wonder of wonders, he's tucking into salad. It's the Disney magic. Okay, we've got food. Rich didn't wait for me, but hey ho.
I thought you did it already.
That's okay. What have we got? Green beans, turkey, stuffing, succotash, which is corn and lima beans, yeah? I can't see any lima beans in there, it just looks like corn.
Oh, there's a few lima beans.
Alright, and that's the chimichurri, which I'm looking forward to. Mash, and mac and cheese with goldfish.
I'm not going to eat that.
What's that? Is that cranberry? Yeah, we won't be eating that.
I'm not.
This is the aftermath of our dinner. We've made short work of it, but it was good.
I recommend the turkey.
You did what now?
I recommend the turkey.
Xander recommends the turkey. It was all good. Even the mac and cheese with
Why is there
That's a new. That's a new.
goldfish.
That's weird.
That's new.
No, you can. Dessert has arrived. Rich is dying to dig in, so go ahead, dig in. We've
I
got.
was just asking, is it safe to?
It's safe. It's strawberry shortcake. I think it's strawberry shortcake, and
looks like a
Xander.
cake.
Yeah, it's strawberry shortcake. It's not shortbread.
Oh, I
It's
think
shortcake.
it's shortbread.
Sugar
And
cookie.
Xander got a sugar cookie. And
Good.
it's good. It's a sugar cookie. What more can you say about that? Just a small bit for you then, Mr. Jones.
Oh my god.
Alright, I think so.
I'm gonna wait and see what your
That is
reaction
more
is.
than half. That is more than half.
Oh, it's horrible. It's horrible.
Yeah. It's nice seeing all these people. Yeah.
Bye, I guess.
Hello, young man.
Hi, buddy.
You're working hard today. Yeah.
Are you tired?
Yeah, he's tired. You need a break. Bye. It's Mickey.
That's what the views are.
What?
Him clapping.
Oh. That's what the booms are. Hey, Mickey. You've got lots of energy.
He's
Can I
farming.
have some, please?
You want some of your energy?
Some of your energy.
Yeah?
In coffee.
Go, catch it. There's your coffee.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mickey.
Hi.
There's Pluto. Hi, Pluto. Are you ready for a nap yet? Are you ready for a nap? Yeah?
Me and you both, dude. Me and you both.
So. We're currently just coming out of France. We went to go and get on Remy, a bit late for our boarding pass, but we were told at the restaurant that if we take our receipt with us, then we'd get on. Well, we were looking and there were like lines everywhere. The ride's gone down, but the queues are coming out really, really far. They've said probably at least 30 minutes. So we're gonna carry on looking for Ratatouille, Remy's Ratatouille hide and squeak places, and hopefully we'll get on the ride later. You seen the Mickey? The hidden Mickey? It's holding the...
Oh yeah.
We are currently in line for Remy. We're almost on it. I don't think I'm going to film it though because this is the first time. We've just come off Remy. It was a fun little ride, wasn't it? Yeah? But I'm not sure I'd queue up for hours for it. It's
3 stars.
It's based on the same kind of concept as Mickey and Minnie and Rise of the Resistance. Do you want to be in there as well? Yeah. Sorry, it's a bit dark. Mickey and Minnie and Rise are definitely better than that one.
Definitely.
When we come back in March, I'm not going to be devastated if we don't get a boarding pass for it. Yeah?
It wasn't that long anyway, so I'm not that sad that we won't be able to get a pass if we don't.
There you go. It's so dark in here, so you probably can't see, but we're on 3 caballeros. Yeah, you can't see. So you can hear my voice.
We're on a Rona.
We've got our own boat.
I just realized this.
Yeah.
Look at her.
Look at Donald's a pinata.
Look at that girl.
Excuse me.
Hidden Mickey.
Why does he have a crab? You don't do that.
We're the amigos, no matter where he goes. The 1, 2, and 3 goes. We're always together.
How are you doing?
Behind the stars to guide us. He tells him beside